Look at the image below. You have 25 seconds to prepare for your response. You will have 40 seconds to give your response. This image explains how the human body gets and uses energy. We get chemical energy from the food we eat, mainly carbohydrates, fats, and other nutrients. Inside the body, this energy is processed through metabolism, which produces ATP, also known as the body's energy currency. ATP powers all the activities in our cells. During this process, the body also produces heat and releases chemical waste such as carbon dioxide and water. This cycle helps keep us alive, active, and warm. It's a great example of how food turns into fuel for human life. This image shows how tree growth rings can be used as evidence to study past climates. Each ring represents a year of growth. In warmer climates, trees grow more, creating wider rings. In contrast, during cooler climates, growth slows down, producing narrower rings. By examining the thickness of these rings, scientists can understand the climate patterns of the past. The image highlights this by comparing a tree trunk cross-section with a zoomed-in strip showing ring thickness, wide rings on the left for warm years and narrow ones on the right for cooler years. It's a natural record of Earth's climate history. This image explains the three main types of incentive plans for salespeople. The first is the salary plan, where employees receive a fixed salary regardless of the sales they make. The second is the commission plan, where pay is given directly in proportion to the amount of sales, motivating employees to sell more. The third is the combination plan, which includes both a fixed salary and commission, offering both stability and performance-based rewards. Each plan suits different business needs and employee motivations, balancing security with incentives for better sales performance. This image shows a health triangle, highlighting the key components needed for 100% health. The outer blue triangle is made up of nutrition, spot fit or physical activity, and sleep, which together form the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Each side also represents a dimension of wellness, physical, mental, and motivational health. At the center of the triangle is a red triangle labeled 100% health, showing that true health comes from balancing all three areas. Without proper nutrition, exercise, or sleep, overall well-being is affected. This diagram emphasizes that good health is a mix of body, mind, and motivation. This image shows the composition of the Finnish parliament, which has a total of 200 seats. The largest party is KSK, Centre Party, with 26% of the seats, followed closely by KK, National Coalition Party, with 25%, and the SDP, Social Democratic Party, with 23%. Other represented parties include VL, Left Alliance, with 9%, the Green League, G, with 7%, and the SFP, Swedish People's Party, with 4%. The remaining 6% of seats belong to others. The diagram uses figures to represent the seat distribution visually, giving a clear overview of how political power is shared in the Finnish parliament. This image shows a densely packed slum area built along the edge of a heavily polluted river. The houses are made of fragile materials like bamboo, tin, and plastic sheets, raised on stilts above heaps of garbage. Clothes are hanging outside to dry, showing that people live in extremely cramped and unsanitary conditions. The river beside them is dark and filled with waste, highlighting the severe lack of proper sewage and waste disposal. The overall scene reflects the harsh reality of urban poverty, poor living standards, and environmental degradation faced by many communities in developing regions.